Hey everyone, welcome to Muse Themes. Let's have a look at our password protection widget. We get a lot of questions about this widget because it seems like it'd be kind of confusing to set up, but it's actually really simple. You just need to understand how it works. So if we look at the Megaband template, which comes with the widget basically pre-installed or pre-designed, you can see here that we have an enter fan club link. And it says below the password is megafan123. So if we click on this link, we are prompted to enter a password, and if we put in megafan123 and hit OK, we're redirected to the fan club page. Now the way that this works is, what it does is it actually fills in the name of the page or the link to the page using the password. So if we go into Muse, this will make more sense. So let's go into Muse, and as you can see, we have the widget kind of pre-installed here. And if we bring up the flyout panel, let me move this over so you can see it a little better. The only option that we have to set is to enter our link text. So you may find yourself wondering, well, how do I set that to be a specific page or a specific password? The way that you do that is by creating a page using the name or using the password. So in this case, we've got megafan123 as the password. And if you look at the plan view in Muse, you can see this fifth page here called megafan123. That's how it works. So let's say I created another page. I wanted another option for a password protected page, and I just called this page MuseThemes123. Now, if I preview the site in the browser, and you need to preview the full site in the browser if you're going to look at this widget, because you need all the pages generated, not just the single page. So we've got the site previewed now. Let's go to Club Access. Let's click the link, and now this time we'll enter MuseThemes123 and hit OK. And now it's redirected us to that new page that we've created. And you can see here the URL is called MuseThemes123. So that's how you connect the two of them. It's not about setting a password in the options flyout or anything like that. Another thing you may want to consider is, within your plan view here, you can right click on any page and go to menu options and select exclude page from menus. So if you're using an automatic navigation widget where all of the pages automatically show up in it, you're probably going to want to exclude your members pages. They're locked in the sense that they're totally hidden from the public. But if somebody does have the direct URL, they could hit the page. This is why we recommend that you're not putting really sensitive information on these pages. I mean, the truth is it works great for the majority of sites out there. But if you've got highly protective content, or you have a membership site, something like that, you probably want something a little bit more secure. You're really limited in what you do with security options when you're just doing bits of JavaScript code, which is essentially how these widgets are built. So just keep that in mind when you're building this. Also, keep in mind too that you can create multiple passwords as long as you create multiple pages. So if you have a few different people that you're constantly giving content to, let's say it's a supplier, you can create a page called printer. Let's say printer123 again. And now if we were to preview the site, and I'll just do it for you one more time. If you put all of that printer's content on the printer123 page, and if they click on the login link and enter their unique password, they're going to be sent only to that printer123 page. So it's a kind of a unique way that you can create multiple content areas for multiple users. I hope this helps clarify our password protection widget, and let us know if you have any trouble or questions. Thanks again, and best of luck.